What is up, everyone? So now that the last couple of crazy weeks are over, we have a bunch of stuff to catch up on, and one thing is actually getting this damn engine back in the Sonda. As you guys know, we got the built KA back from JP. We built it up, and we've been waiting to throw it in this damn car, but we haven't had any time, T-Bone.
No time.
Why do you get that? I'm not gonna ask. But so we got to do the rear main seal, clutch, oil pan, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna make Ant do the oil pan while I gotta go out and actually run an errand. So we gotta go pick something up that's pretty cool. I wasn't gonna film it, but I should film it because I think it's cool. So let's get the trailer hooked up. Actually, we got a lot of stuff to pick up. Why is my truck so messy? I haven't even had time to unpack from Thompson like 2 weeks ago. Jesus, it's also day 4 of being a BRZ owner. I freaking love that thing, dude. I cannot wait to do more videos on it. If there's anything you guys want to see about the new BRZ or want to see me do with it, let me know ASAP because I would love any excuse to film, drive it, Jesus, and touch it. $1 right here. Right, cool. A buddy of ours, long story short, is offering some parts to us. It's either I pick them up today or they go to the junkyard. So we're picking up today. So we got an hour drive, we got 2-car trailer. Not needed, but there's a reason for it. We'll talk about it later, so let's get there. I think we're here. The goal is to not get my trailer stuck in his driveway. There's just a red NSX chilling. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's pretty good.
One day, Steve. One day.
This thing's pretty long, huh?
Yeah, I told you it was long.
Wow. I'll bring it up here. Okay. I'll bring it up here with the skid steer. Right. Put it at the circle. Good to see you, man.
Right.
What's up, man? What's your
How's
name?
it going, Steve?
Hey, Steve. I'm Pete.
Nice to meet you again, Pete.
Yeah, it's got a Comtech supercharger on it.
Supercharger in the back?
Yeah. It's an aftermarket.
Don't gotta say too much. Speaks for itself.
Yeah. Conquest.
In the Conquest.
Yeah.
Real star of the show here, Steve. I
too-
can see you with this.
Yeah.
In the Conquest?
Yeah, post up. Flops and all.
Did you guys see the Clio? This for me and my son are doing the. Yeah, we're doing the. Pulled off the fuel rail recently.
See, this is what we're used to here, Steve. These are where the real cars are at.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's our good.
The low mount, homemade manifold. And here.
New whip.
Yeah, of course.
Came to grab my new shit. Horny.
Don't gotta say too much, Steve. That's all I'm saying.
Just picked it
good,
up.
man.
New
That's
cop.
too much.
Got a great deal.
Got a great deal.
Steve,
You look good in that one.
Oh, of course.
You go so cool. So he actually let me drive this thing at a track not far from here. I don't know what it is. It's called a Noble. It's like a kit car, but it has a Ford V6 and a twin turbo. It's crazy. It's probably one of the funnest things I've ever driven in my life.
It handled sweet.
Look at it. What do you think?
Duratec V6 twin turbo, 3.5 liter, I think it is. But it's actually really quite roomy inside. Like a tall dude like you could get in no problem.
Big Steve could drive it.
Yep.
Big Steve can't fit in there.
This is it. Pete, we're putting this on the trailer. Let's go.
Go ahead, you can take this one.
Take it.
Give me an IOU on that one. Yeah. We came here with something I can't afford.
Nothing is a good price. I figured you could use some parts on it. I mean,
You check this thing out.
dude, mint. I told it. Hey, listen. I know the article said the thing was in mint shape, but I didn't tell you what part of it was in mint shape. It's this part right here. See this Z?
Oh yeah.
That thing is perfect.
The marketplace said it just needed a starter.
Is it? Yeah, that's perfect.
Mint spec.
I mean, look, you know what? It's got a lightweight motor.
Oh, man.
Wicked lightweight. Yeah. So, you know, maybe you could use some stuff in here. That. You know what I mean?
Oh my God.
We were hoping for headlights.
Oh, dude, you know what? If you came 2 days ago, you
Yeah.
had the headlights. It's a right hand. It's a right swinger. Right
That's
swinger,
funny.
you know?
13% of a 300ZX here, so.
Some doors in case you don't want to cut them apart and do something cool. Yeah. So, why don't I throw this thing up on the fork?
Yeah.
To the left because she goes. She's
Let's
right.
go, she goes.
Jimmy, check this out.
Steve, can you operate this thing?
Fuck yeah, I can operate one of those. What's that? A cat? More of a Labota guy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna love this one.
Oh shit. Yellow.
Good color. Good color.
Good color.
So this is an original paint car. It's supposedly it only has 10,600 miles on it.
Wow, this car's cool.
Original. If you look, there's no rust on the frame. No, not one bit of rust on the frame.
They usually get them like.
Yeah, right near or the compartment there.
This thing's gnarly.
This is good, Steve, in case you have a zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, I'm calling. I know where I'm going.
Right.
I'm headed straight to Vermont when the zombie
it,
apocalypse
yeah.
happens.
Jimmy, I'm gonna need this running by tonight.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah. Put the Z front on the cat.
The Z front on the cat. Let's do it.
It's a little bit more banged up than we thought. Front clips, always banged up, but we'll salvage some parts off this thing to make it worth it for sure.
Yeah, for sure. It's a little rough though.
So shout out to Pete for the hookup. We really appreciate it.
This guy's a fucking rock star.
Right hand drive door panel, so a little smoke, but we'll take the switches out. Have some backup switches. Take out probably the motors on the windows. Get what we need. Scrap the rest.
Sure.
No complaints here. Factory wing, they like swell. You see this?
Yeah.
They're made of foam, so they kind of deteriorate.
Bad.
Yeah, you feel that? Crazy, right?
Oh damn! It is made of foam.
It's long.
It's long.
Wide load, Steve. We gotta make sure none of this goes flying off on the highway.
For real. Right?
So we have a Z32 right-hand drive front clip. Just like most front clips, everything's kind of mangled.
Smoke.
But we'll get some parts off it, get some hardware. We'll get some good goodies out of it. It still has brakes on it, which is pretty good. We got a bunch of stuff to do at the shop, so let's get back, and hopefully this thing comes with us.
We're out of here.
And we gotta do something with this. Donnie!
Oh, we're the music! Oh, we're the music!
Let's go!
Where we going?
Peep my new project.
Project?
At the half a car.
If I ever seen one.
This is cool. T-Bone, what do you think?
What are you gonna do with this possibly?
Make a desk. Or a sim.
A sim?
Sim, you know?
Very confused.
You've always wanted a Z.
RJ's new project car. Ta-da!
We're gonna Z swap his Beetle. Put this on the front ends.
That would be funny.
That'll be the only one in the world.
So, what's the goal here?
I don't know.
I hate to rain on your parade, but there's nothing good here.
Well, we got some hardware.
Chuck and Eddie's, you could just go there and fill your pocket.
This vent is good.
Okay.
That bet. Got a right-hand drive, half a dash,
Half a dash.
steering column, rack.
There's no rack.
The price of diesel these days, I don't think you did good today.
Yeah.
I'm thinking that. We've been talking about it.
That's all right. It's an adventure.
There's probably something on this that I'll need one day. All right? I don't know. So we left T-Bone here to get the oil pan on. He had a hell of a time. He said he used the whole tube of RTV on the pan.
Said to. I ain't never heard that before. He says bottom of the pan, gasket, and the box. Like, whatever.
These stamped steel pans, they leak no matter what. So I said, T-Bone
Needed it.
killed it. Thank you, T-Bone. So now what we want to do is today I want to get the engine and trans ready to get into the car because I want to put this thing in tomorrow. So what we got here is our action clutch kit. As you guys know, we put actions and everything. They were so good to us. They always make sure we have clutches in times. They always make sure we have an amazing product, and the best part about it is they give me a discount to extend to you guys. So you guys know the discount code Jimmy O. I'll put it somewhere, to any action product on their website, 15% off. It adds up. So if you guys are putting off an ordering clutch, now's the time. Take good use of that coupon. So this is the stage 5 sprung clutch. So this thing should hold plenty of horse puppies, everything we need. We have a nice, beautiful lightened flywheel, which will give us a really nice throttle feel. Well, throw up bearing, pilot bearing, full clutch kit, right?
Yep.
If you guys want to know the part numbers, right here. You guys know the process. Flywheel, clutch, push plate. Click, 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 done. Flywheel. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Take that action shot of the action clutch. Ting. Oh yeah, that's a lot of Loctite. Whatever.
We need that where we're going.
Yeah, we need that where we're going for sure. Loctite, anything that spins. You guys know the deal. You've seen me do this 1 trillion times.
Because we do not want this coming off. Have that happen to you?
What, a fly will come loose?
Yep.
No. Luck, where's some wood to knock on? No, it hasn't happened to me.
Terrifying.
I feel like it's happened to DJ before. Has that ever happened to you?
No.
Oh yeah, seems awful.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Engine voice is moving.
These are tight. Perfect. That's right. Clean your surface, T-Bone.
Yep.
Nice work, buddy. Proper t-shirt for today too, by the way.
I know, I was thinking about that before.
You playing that?
Not at all, but I jinxed myself.
Pressure plate also. Clutch disc itself. That's it. I think, no, we got lucky first try.
Really?
Yeah, look, it's in all the dowels. Sometimes it's a tight fit in the dowels, so you have to be careful. And then, boom.
That's that good noise.
Yeah. And which trans is Nasanda's? There it is. Whoop, shifter in the butt. Fuck. Come on, go home, transmission.
A few moments later.
It is on, ready to go. Throw the mounts on. Let's get this on the subframe and get it in the Sonda. That sounds easy, but it's actually quite a nightmare because it has to go in perfectly, and we're gonna say that for tomorrow. So.
We're going home and crying.
And B-Hall's here from work, and he's gonna check out how bad my front end is ever since the accident.
Can't be that bad. I've already fixed this thing like 3 times.
This same corner, look how crunched it is. You can't tell because it's black, but dude, that looks like someone stepped on a tin can. Poor thing.
Always kinks here.
Yep.
Yeah, always kinks there. Whatever. Give Brian a cheeseburger, a hammer and dolly, and we're good to go.
We're trading for 240 parts now.
Oh man. We gotta talk all about that. Brian bought a hatch shell. We'll come and film another day, but
It's a real piece of work.
Brian, do you know you
Basically, budget hatch 2.0.
Yep.
yeah, exactly.
Junk shell, no nothing, put it together.
We got parts. We got parts. And we got Scully. No. Oh, we got parts. We'll make this work. We'll go visit it soon.
It's gonna be fun. You guys have been scolding me for a long time. God, you look good in one of these Nissans, Brian. Oh, Brian, you drive good in these cars. They're fun. They're vibes. So
Yeah, we'll get you right. It can always be fixed.
It can always be worse.
Yeah, it can always be worse.
You know?
Good attitude.
Yeah. Think about it that way.
The next day.
So today we have the pleasure of bolting this thing in here. I'm very excited, but this whole process is kind of a huge pain in the ass. Obviously we started with a car that wasn't supposed to accept the drivetrain like this, so when we made it, our constraints were pretty small, so everything is like super tight tolerance. So far we're doing good. We got it mocked up in position, and now we get it a little bit lower. We can start kicking the jack stands, hoping everything lines up, and well, soon enough, Nasanda's new heart will be bolted up. So I'm gonna time lapse this some more because this is gonna be a lot of swearing and a lot of finagle, so let's get to it. All right.
Oh!
What? Oh, you got me nervous. That's where all the tools have been.
Dash 6 and the adjustable?
Love that.
You don't know how hard I looked for those.
Oh, that went in. Not bad. Not bad, T-Bone. I've been dreading this for weeks, for months, for years.
It wasn't terrible.
Oh, it's so funny. I forgot how this looked in here. Interesting. Let's tighten some bolts, get this thing in here. Do the honors. There we go. It's official. It's back in.
It's in
It's in.
forever.
Hopefully. Hopefully forever. So, $1.5 million things still to hook up, and we have a whole new exhaust side for this thing coming in, so.
Oh yeah. Dude, I'm excited to see the new exhaust side.
But we just got a fresh order of tires, and I gotta show it off right here. Fresh rubbers. I love, this is just a beautiful site. Just love it. So, TireStreets.com. They do bulk orders on tires to save you some money, right? We've said this before. The more you buy, the more you save. Free shipping, you cannot beat it. Link in description. If you use discount code JimmyO, what is my discount code? JimmyO15. That's the discount code at Tire Street. You get 15% your whole order. When it comes to tires, that is a lot of money. So if you have a drift car and you need a bunch of tires, or you just want to get 4 new tires for your daily driver, save yourself some money, TireStreets.com. Yes, I forgot we got this damn thing. You forklift certified?
I think it expired.
Nah, it's not gonna work. Damn.
We're about to test the strength of this pallet.
Sometimes I'm not that drunk.
Holy shit.
I think it's good.
That's crazy looking.
That's where it's gonna live? For now. Everything's great.
Everything's great. We need a t-shirt.
Everything's great.
Everything's great. New product?
New product alert. New merch
It's
alert.
good in the shop,
It's good in the shop.
you know?
Tested?
Yeah, test it.
Tried and true?
Yep.
Shop tested. So when we took apart the old KA, even though we didn't blow a head gasket, the coolant system was atrocious. And so we just remembered we actually have to flush out our radiator. So I really want to see what, yeah. Even for an iron block, it's gross. We killed it on this radiator setup. If you guys don't remember, this is a Mark II Golf radiator. Funny how that works.
I was wondering what it was, to be honest, because I like pulled it out. I was like, why is this so small?
Volkswagen, baby.
It's mint though.
You should always do this
That's gonna
anyways.
fly out. Too.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just totaling the parking lot.
Nice carrot juice.
What was that, Steve?
Some nice carrot juice.
Oh, we probably should have did this somewhere else. If you had an iron block, a good seasonal flush, would recommend it. Chris Fix would recommend it.
Yep.
So this car looks crazy complicated, right? But honestly, I simplified this engine so much, it's really easy. So watch. It'll look complete in 2 seconds. See, it comes together, kind of. There's still a bunch of stuff, but it's not too bad. So luckily the whole swap is figured out. That's the annoying part. So now it's just bolting stuff together and we're good to go. So we got to call it quits for today though, because today we are filming our next podcast and we finally have our special guest, DJ No Way. Where's his goofy ass at?
What's going on?
You hyped to film with DJ?
I'm super hyped to film with DJ. That's my dog.
DJ No Way, next guest on Talk Be Nice Studios podcast.
Hold on, we moved this. Here we are.
You ready?
I am honored.
We are about to spill your deepest and darkest.
Ooh, we're gonna go down that rabbit hole. I'll talk about whatever. I'm ready for it.
You're ready.
I just gotta grab a few more and then we'll be ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's get this show on
The
road.
people have questions, DJ,
I have answers.
and we're gonna answer them like it's TMZ in this bitch.
I will answer.
So if you guys want to check out the DJ No Way podcast, we'll be posting it this Saturday, like we always do on my Patreon, link in description. So for now, super excited. The CIVIC, probably the next video, I'll probably start it for the first time. I'll probably start it with no turbo manifold on it since we have to wait a couple days for that, but I really want to hear it run. It would make my soul feel really good. Finally knowing this car that we spent so much time and effort on finally has an engine that's proper and not hurt. But it had a shit engine its whole life, so it deserves this. But for now, we're gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And we'll see you guys very shortly.